Assalamualaikum. It's me Shama Parvin from beautiful city Chattogram, Bangladesh, and I am also assistant teacher of Obaid Junior High School, Pirosha, and also participate of Rehan AI Teacher Institute. I will share a review video. This video's topic is how data-driven farming could transform agriculture. Futures, and the speaker is Ranveer Chandra of Microsoft Research discussing the global food problem and how technology can help address it. The global food problem, the world's food production need to increase by 70% by 2050 to feed the growing population. These challenges is exacerbated by limited arable land and race aging with levels. Data-driven farming, the most promising solution is data-driven farming, which involves mapping every farms and overlaying in it with data such as soil, moisture, and natural levels. Precision agriculture and phenotyping. These maps enable techniques like precision agriculture, allowing for site-specific application of water and pesticides, which improve yield, reduces cost, and benefits the environment. They also facilitate phenotyping, helping to understand why the sum of variety grows differently in various parts of farm. Challenges with existing solution. Despite the benefits, precision agriculture hasn't taken off due to the high cost of current data-driven solution. For example, some sensor cost 8,000 for 5, making them unforgettable for many farmers. Microsoft its Farm Beats project Project Praveen Chandra leads the Farm Beats project at Microsoft, aiming to reduce the cost of data-driven agriculture. Solution by the orders of magnitude from 8,000 to $18. Addressing key challenges, the project tackles 3 main challenges: internet connectivity using TV while spaces technologies from farm beats can provide connectivity to remote farm where traditional broadband is unavailable, enabling data collection from sensors, cameras, and drones. Cost of sensors and aerial imagery. By using artificial intelligence and machine learning, farm can build accurate maps with very few sensors by interpolating data from. Thank you very much.